If you've recently replaced the steering cable in your boat, it doesn't really matter what kind it is, whether rotary, rack and pinion, doesn't make a difference. There was a flaw during the manufacturing in some of these Dometic cables. Now, Dometic owns Teleflex, Seastar, a whole bunch of other brands. So you likely have received a warning in the mail. Here's what you need to check to find out if your cable is affected by this recall. So you need to find where the end of your steering cable is and the nut attaches to the rudder or whatever steering assembly you have. This is a ski boat, so it has a rudder with this kind of assembly, and the flaw was with this nut that attaches it. Now the problem that happens is the shoulder of this nut right here would break off, and then you'd end up with play in this, which could result in a lack of steering what's the word I'm looking for? A lack of fine steering control, lack of steering control at all, honestly. It could cause a number of different problems. So looking at this, just a visual inspection, you're going to look and see if there's any cracks here. See, in the instructions, it shows one with no visible cracks, which is what we have here, or one with a visible crack. But if you want to be doubly sure, you can grab this cable back about 4 or 5 inches away and kind of twist it around and pull and kind of make a circular motion like this. You're not trying to turn the cable, you're just trying to rock the cable around and see if that shoulder is loose or cracked or anything. Now, if those tests pass, you can also check the date code. Somewhere on the cable sheathing, there's a date code, and you can check if yours is within the specified range where there is a flaw or not. I'll put some pictures on screen of what you're looking for and how to tell what you've got. That's pretty much all there is to it. This is something that you want to get taken care of immediately. They recommend discontinuing use of the boat because if this cable nut fails on you, you could lose your steering entirely. The steering could become very vague, wander a lot. There's a lot of problems that could really cause a serious safety issue. So it's important to check this out if you've replaced your cable at any point in 2022. Thanks for watching.